time to talk about iPadOS. Now you can place widgets among the apps on your home screen. So we're adding a new larger format for widgets designed just for iPad's larger display. We wanted to make it easier to get to all of your apps. So we've brought App Library to iPad. We built access to App Library right into the dock. You can hide pages that you no longer need. Just like this.
In iPadOS 15, there's a new control that appears at the top of your apps. Tapping on it reveals the multitasking menu. From here, I can take an app full screen or work with two apps at the same time by creating a split view or slide over. But I want to save this email and come back to it later. So I can just swipe down to minimize it into a new area we're calling the shelf. I often have a lot of Safari windows open, many in split view paired with other apps. And now I can just tap to quickly switch between them. I can also add or remove windows right here from the shelf. I can now create a split view just by dragging one app over another.
And what's really cool is we now have a new set of keyboard shortcuts that let you do all of this without lifting a finger. iPadOS 15 also gives you more powerful ways to capture and organize your information with notes. This year, we're adding powerful new features for collaboration and organization. First, we're adding mentions. Just mention someone in a shared note, and they'll get a notification linking them back. There's also an all-new activity view that quickly shows you what's changed in a shared note while you were away. And to give users new ways to organize their notes, we're adding tags, taking notes system-wide with a feature we call QuickNote.
Starting a QuickNote is easy. When I swipe, the note appears out of the corner of the screen. And when I'm done, I just swipe it away. What's super cool about QuickNote is that it's aware of the app I'm using. I can swipe across my QuickNote to see my most recent ones. And anytime I want to see all my QuickNotes, I can find them right where you'd expect, in Notes.
QuickNotes can be created on iPadOS and macOS, and you can access and edit them later on iOS. So we're excited to bring Translate to iPad with experiences that leverage iPad's unique capabilities, like practicing handwriting in another language with Apple Pencil. Auto-translate detects when you're speaking and in which language, so no one needs to tap a button to respond. Just speak and let Translate do the rest. We're also excited to announce system-wide translation, so you can translate text anywhere. Just select the text and tap Translate. With live text, you can even translate text in a photo. System-wide translation is available on iPadOS, iOS, and macOS. And of course, you can download languages to use all of these features on device. Swift Playgrounds is a great way to learn to code. This year, we're taking it even further by adding the ability to build apps on iPad. This new project type even works with Xcode on Mac. Swift Playgrounds now supports improved code completion.